Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 28th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from National Bank Holdings, ticker NBHC. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. National Bank Holdings has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack. From their recent acquisition of Vista bank shares to their strategic initiatives and financial performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue and profitability. National Bank Holdings reported a net income of $16 million for the fourth quarter, with an adjusted EPS of 60 cents. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
Well, the net income has decreased from $35.3 million in the previous quarter, and the adjusted EPS of 0.60 cents is below the forecasted 87 cents. The net interest income also saw a slight decline to $88.3 million, with a net interest margin of 3.89%. This indicates some pressure on their profitability, likely due to acquisition-related expenses and a loss on security sales.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. National Bank Holdings has been active on the strategic front, completing the acquisition of Vista bank shares and launching the initial phase of 2UniFi. Can you elaborate on these initiatives?
Absolutely. The acquisition of Vista bank shares was completed in under 4 months, which is impressive. This move strengthens their market presence in high-growth areas like Dallas-Fort Worth and Palm Beach. Additionally, the launch of 2UniFi aims to empower business entrepreneurs with enhanced treasury management and SBA loan offerings. These initiatives, along with a new $100 million share repurchase authorization, are part of their strategy to drive growth and shareholder value.
Financial health and capital management. John, let's talk about the financial health and capital management of National Bank Holdings. What are the key highlights?
The company has shown robust capital management with a 10% growth in tangible common book value per share and a strong common equity Tier 1 capital ratio of 14.89%. They've also announced a 3.2% increase in their quarterly cash dividend, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders. The loan-to-deposit ratio stands at 89.6%, indicating a healthy balance between loans and deposits.
Asset quality and risk management. How is National Bank Holdings managing its asset quality and risk, especially in the current economic climate?
The company maintains strong credit quality, with non-performing loans at 0.34% of total loans, a slight improvement from the previous quarter. They recorded a provision expense of $9.1 million for credit losses, driven by specific reserves and net charge-offs. The allowance for credit losses is at 1.18%, reflecting their proactive approach to risk management.
EPS forecast and market reaction. John, the forecasted EPS was 87, but the actual adjusted EPS came in at 60. How has the market reacted to this underperformance?
The market has reacted cautiously to the underperformance, as the adjusted EPS fell short of the forecast by a significant margin. This discrepancy is primarily due to acquisition-related expenses and a loss on security sales. While the strategic initiatives are promising, the immediate financial impact has been less favorable, leading to a tempered market response.
Key takeaways. In summary, National Bank Holdings has had a mixed quarter with strategic advancements but financial underperformance. The adjusted EPS of 60 cents fell short of the forecast, but the completion of the Vista acquisition and a dividend increase are positive signs for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing National Bank Holdings' performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on National Bank Holdings' performance in the comments below.